Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Everything Mel and Sophie. Sophie is having a day out with her daddy, so I have my two little brothers with me, and we're going to be doing the Crystal Aquarium. It's something aquarium from Discovery. This is what we are going to put the content in. It says to get a piece of foil and put it in here.
Please don't think this. Somebody has smaller hands. There. It's just like that.
Alright, so we put the foil in here, and now we are going to put the backdrop.
It's tape time.
Alright, so I'm just going to take the backdrop to the outside. I'm going to break these into smaller pieces. 5 minutes in. Alright, so I just smashed all of these with
Whatever that
I don't know what
is.
this is.
Oh, I know. Something to break Melissa.
No.
Oh gosh. No. You're not doing.
Stop! Okay, so I just put these into smaller pieces and I just left it inside the bag, so all I have to do is open it up and just toss them in here.
Hey, did you smell them? Make sure they're not close together.
Okay.
I'm gonna use these chopsticks. Tips. What are chopsticks? This is what we're supposed to do. I need a chair.
So I am now moving them so that they don't touch each other and don't touch the edge of this little
Glass, like container. Oh, like the
the
corners. Well, here. Make sure. That's good. Are what they're gonna look like.
Now some of the pieces are really big and some are really tiny, so I guess we'll just see which one works better. Is the growing solution. There is
You do one, I do one.
2 bottles. What am I gonna do?
Okay,
I'll just make funny faces.
okay.
Okay, don't spill it. Okay, so you're just gonna pour it in here.
Okay, let me pour my face.
All right,
3, 2.
ready, go.
It's not a
Some
race.
of them moved. Jason, you spilled some.
No, I didn't. It's not a race, everybody. Right there. I'm gonna see you guys in.
I added the water. So this is after 24 hours of doing the experiment. The biggest little crystal got up to 4 inches, and it was really cool to get to do this experiment with my little brothers. Hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for the bloopers. Oh no, I don't like this.
It's a break Melissa.
No.
Oh gosh. No. You're not doing.
Stop. Okay.
Can I smell them?
No,
Why?
I don't know.
Hey, did you smell them? Make sure they're not close together.
Okay.
I'm gonna use these chopsticks. Tips. What are chopsticks? This is what we're supposed to do. Aaron's coming to town.
All right, so I just tossed them. The chair was for me.
Somebody just have your lap. Oh, gosh, no. I need a chair. I almost fell.
I didn't say anything about water, and I looked at the thing. Was I supposed to add water to it?
Sodium metacylic N.
True.
It didn't say add water. I read it. Okay, now we add water. It's 2 hours. Did I say an hour and 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Hour 20 minutes.
I have to redo this video to see anything.
That's 80 minutes now.
Okay, so 120 minutes, which is 2 hours.